Okay, Lois, 56 is your best paper 2 score so far, which is a sort of grade D. So we're still not quite at the grade C 65 plus that we need. So let's see if this paper is any better. Right, with this question, you haven't answered the question. £63.69 is the 10% discount. But in order to find out how much he has to pay, you've then got to take it away from how much the total bill is. So this one is wrong. What you've scribbled out was right. Can of Coke is the one to remember, 330 ml. So a glass of water is going to be about a bit less than a can of Coke. So 3 marks there, that one's right. So 4, 5, 8, 10 for the first page. That's okay. So is that. So is that. 7 for the page. That's good. 4 for that and 3 there. That is likely, and those are good as well. Those 15 for the page. Good, strong start. Right, take a look at how I explain that on the video clip. Okay, it's pretty wordy with the information they give you, but actually, as long as you know what isosceles triangles look like, you should be able to get your head around that. So that one's right. This one's not right because you need to be multiplying by -2 in order to make those change from plus to minus again. Here you've written down 2 solutions. That one's wrong, that one's right. But I can't give you the mark because you haven't said which one you finally decided it to be. X plus 6 is correct, but x minus 6 could also be correct. 4 is wrong. First of all, do 45 divided by 9 to find 1/9. So 1/9 is 45 divided by 9, which is 5. So 4/9 will be 4 lots of 1/9, which is 20. P is 16, well done. 3, 4 for that page. That's correct, that's correct, that's correct. Excellent. So is that, so is that. Because 10 times 6 is 60, so 40 plus 60 is 100. 75 is correct, but it's after 5 steps. So you're only going to get 1 out of the 2 marks there. So 9 for that. Here again, watch how I explain this in the video solution, because it is a bit tricky. But hopefully, if you watch that, you will be able to get your head around it. This one, you must explain each step. You haven't explained any step, and your answer is wrong as well. So again, that's something to watch, how I explain that on the video clip. That's well done. Okay, so here, that is 2 and 5. This is 3, 2. Good enough. 7 for the page. Does lie between 2.8 and 2.7. Now we did this this week, so hopefully you will be able to finish this now. All you need to do is to say a test using x equals 2.75. You've got that there, and then because that's too small, everything between 2.7 and that is too small, so 2.8 is your answer. So you haven't done enough there just to get the last 2 marks. And then well, that again, watch how I explain that in the video clip. We'll be practicing these again over the next couple of weeks. Area is a half base times height, so it's a half 4.1 times 8.6. And here the 7 is wrong, but you have correctly then added up to give perimeter, but you haven't rounded that to two significant figures. Two significant figures are these two, so your answer is either going to be 19 or 20, and that comes to 20 because it's 0.7. So you will lose that last mark, but you picked up one. So let's see how you've done here then, Lois. So 10, 17, 32, 36, 45, 52, 54, 55. So 55 is a D. It's about 10 marks off where you need to be. But again, if you go through there, watch the video clips of those questions that I've said for you to do that, and we'll practice that utility bills question, and you're not very far off. So that's pretty encouraging.